TinkerCAD tips. So I just had a question from one of my followers regarding some resizing that I was doing, and this had come from the tutorial I had done on the silhouettes where I had multiple rings, and I was trying to create insets into the base where these rings would fit, and I was building in a tolerance. So to simplify this, I've set it up again, and this is kind of what it started with. I had a base and then I had these rings. So he was asking about how I was selecting just half in order to resize, and that's not really what I was doing, but let me show you what this is about. So I'm going to take these rings here, and these are all joined together. So I'm going to make a duplicate of this. I'm going to select it, I'm going to duplicate it, and for now I'm just going to drag these straight up. I can shift nudge those, and I'm going to turn these into a hole shape, but I'm going to ungroup them so I can work them individually. So I'm going to zoom in a bit here. I'm going to select all of these, turn them back into a hole. There we go. Now, what I want to do is I want to build in a 0.1 millimeter tolerance on each side of this ring. Now, what you'll notice is, for instance, if I click on this side, this corner, then everything will be increased or decreased from this left direction. If I click on the right, it'll be moved in the right direction. So if I want to increase this, which is 5 millimeters wide, I want to make it 5.2, 0.1 on each side. I'm going to start on the left here. I'm going to click this. I'm going to make it 5.1. I'm going to click on the right side and then say 5.2. Okay? Same thing on the next one. 5.1. I'm going to click on the right side, make it 5.2. And I'm just going to keep repeating that. 5.1 on the left, go to the right side, 5.2. Select that again, there we go. 5.1. Click on the right side, 5.2. And the last one, click on the left side, 5.1. And then 5.2. So the movement is always going to be in the direction of the corner that you selected to do your resizing. All right, now I've got those all resized. Going to go ahead and select all of this, group it together. I'm going to grab my orange pieces from up here. Let's bring those back down. Let's make sure they're in line down the center here. They are. And if I zoom in, might be a little hard to see because it was only a 0.1 millimeter difference, but you can see a tiny gap of 0.1 on the left side. And if I come around here, there's a 0.1 millimeter gap on the right side. So there you go. Little tutorial on resizing. Resizing always happens in the direction of the corner that you chose. Just like if I were to drag this, happens in the same way. Like, follow, and repost, of course. If you have any comments, you know where to drop those. And if you have ideas for other TinkerCAD tips and tutorials, drop me a DM and perhaps I'll do them.